You have already mastered the make 10 rule for addition, but what happens when we want to subtract and we don't have enough bits? Don't worry, today I will teach you a new subtraction rule. Look at the abacus. I have 12 bits. Here, now I want to subtract 9. I only have 2 bits here. I am stuck. Right or wrong? Wrong. When we cannot subtract easily, we use these rules. Take 10 away, then add the friend number. For 9, take 10, add 1. For 8, take 10, add 2. For 7, take 10, add 3. Here, first take 10 away. 12 minus 10 is 2. Now add 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer is 3. Now let's practice together. 4 plus 6 minus 9 plus 1 plus 7. Set 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now plus 6. Make 10 rule. Take 4, add 10. Minus 9. For 9, take 10, add 1. Plus 1. Plus 7. 5, 6, 7. Answer is 9. Now 2 plus 8 minus 8 plus 5 plus 1. Set 2 plus 8. For 8, take 2, add 10. Minus 10. For 8, take 10. Add 2 plus 5 plus 1. Answer is 8. Now 1 plus 9 minus 7 plus 6 minus 8. First set 1 plus 9. For 9, take 1, add 10. Minus 7. For 7, take 10, add 3. Plus 6. 5, 6. Minus 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 1. See? Maths become easy when you know this rule. Now it's your turn. Solve this. 2 plus 9 minus 7 minus 3 plus 6 is equal to what? Write your answer in the comments. If you have any questions, please write them below. Keep practicing, enjoy and learn maths happily. See you soon. Bye bye.